Hello. Malaysia Marako. And a happy Friday afternoon. Yensia Maranate Nath. Welcome once, welcome all. Shaman Yana, and your man doing Yantoloal. So take a right method, Meda corner, med discuss a mass. Who way you go community, when they don't want confused, take any to jealous people. When they don't want confused, Kulara with you, Muramama con Ramama. Take a point to check and thin. Characteristic of Ram jealous, severely jealous person. Ku Chabella, which in ideal jealousy, and around take a jealousy the meton bronco. But a lot happy many queen and it is severely jealous. Needing to get jealousy, she cannot overboard. She cannot nanga coform the dear. Mala Mogway need the so la video may we kake. Tell her I'm about point out personally, but me Jiram take a mom, but describe a time abroad ngaju Jiram Kel can eat check at all. Nanchana Nagabaran criticize question solution be offer. La Gurabaran criticize a solution by offer. Didn't take a Ko win more. Tell her I'm dark jealousy. A trade may be ben lara, key characteristic may be ben lara. Tell her I'm a dark goy, be ben jagrar. So to the al tentacore take a jacon carar. Charan dark. The purpose could be you may woo. How did it do? Did it spirit the moderate of a comedy? Me take it. Kenyam. Shall we need to take a severe jealousy? This is a research study, okay? It's not my word. So we need to take a severe jealousy, a water can insecurity, can eventually low self-esteem. Shira roda with you, he or she is good enough to mount to anything. So therefore, Michigan and me take a success, case she succeed on something which can end, like a threaten. Chajan. Like a threaten cook and pine can tell her I'm confident a legend corrode take it. Chijan. So can I dish at all? Namatella Mugu need to contin. Because she meant lark and yamanin, tell her I'm dapke, and get tidial. Tidial take a conti back of a land rar. So can I to she succeed or she can link a door? The only thing that you can learn you water and determination can drive. Can a word tell around time go about waiting to cocaine about compare or the cocaine. Ramamonu, Najaman go a take a day. Shall work hard, can you go bear a sheaf? So therefore, many gender real lot. Draman jealous person. And so would be not am do jealous gran. So dun ye need severely jealous people and insecurity can low self-esteem. But tell Ramadon will be rescue kaja. Broad rescue Carwado. That's point number one. So point number two, I want to take a severe jealousy while a Carodian and Shangala cook Carodian compare cana socially. Chijan. Ella and Ramishikan and Nana Ramamo let them go key take a mission sheep. Like an aguro ramo can bring down. Kushaka remind K failure again. Kokara long ku minty a sheep didn't like cabin a sheep. But here is my point, you need jealous people. In the Rantege area, Mudwanga, Kateke area, Masala. So, Michi Guarda, day business, Lankalane. Michi business that little go show Motoka Yoda Jerom. So, there is so many things to do, lad, beside you, but waste no time, do we jealous Canadian cocaine coaching succeed. Men the dear will be to be in a pair or do cannot be sure that we walk a la mara. Because we mourn a mare, but a caramel taker. Mala sister, Mala beautiful sister. I hope you're doing good, Nyamuga. So be sure to but what we walk. Because then around we mourn a mare take a malanka year mother dear. And will be time to spend a coup compare or do cana. To me, you wasting energy. Madong do road do or jack a jerry take a do magwai, malonga lani long or dairy jack take a do dairy perfect it and then Therefore, run ramamade yan par. But instead, severely jealous people, like an winnie jela woon and a gur no way me there ramamonung pink a joku with you which ram make look bad. That's deadly, my dear. But Rambi link a goy, but Rambi link a pal, but Rambi link intelligent, but Rambi link a guar, but Rambi link a business. For example, take a man who don't want a kind of guar. Cause they running successful business in this United States of America. Why? Because Keran energy the ways go we bow jealous can to cocaine. Shagurna men long a kalani, share lat to the perfection. So therefore, the let time go bow jealous can to cocaine. Let time go bow compete can con. That's point number 2. Stop abroad to compare kana. Find what you're good at. Perfect it, and then you won't have to deal kanati to language. And accept and over to Karama Bijilin, but Temabal Ramadodian. Accept that. So that you can live a peaceful life. Please, for your information. I'm glad you're coping well, my sister. I'm keeping you in my prayer. So, point number 3. I wanted to take a severe jealousy. A water can commensurate scarcity mindset. Like an agway union when more ducking. Children, a Latin to we more chicarong, whether a rank, a show, congu, singwag. So therefore, Mr. Ramadong nen. A show mugua juck. Kiach a lad mugua juck. Kia go yin ke looked outside like yin keram monoga la feel threat in Kogwe wun and Ramocha Tidialna. But that is a lie. Because we want to talk on is abundant. It's unlimited. It's literally the abundant we want to make along there is something for you. So therefore, go to the jealousy mindset to get rid of it and find what is yours. But keep in mind, me we road we yen allow take a mindset ko we ngwa duck and the next thing you know binyan go duck right take because that's the reality you create for yourself. But she adora me ko ram me share nge win one yen ke. You watch right ko the lar ne in win one ke long ki mutin to jijira ante je kot ka kami I wa perken ka miem we do imagine that miem we do chiga de long queen. So why do you feel lack and a scarcity mindset? To the point go bishop no go did good bramadong destroy ko she and a long road. Mishi could destroy your ramamonuku long road. But you were a long road. Be lazy to take a jib be fix it. Yeah, be fix. So stop thinking in when you want a ducking. Tell Ramchim we do now. You got your own, find it. And work on it. That's point number 3. Point number 4. A walk and idiot get to water and ke past experience. Madong chakon fail before, kidong chakon disappointed. Chejen. So coach are disappointed before la roda la dwala but madong menu be talk lane. Kola gwe dong bo fail run, kidong ba looked. But you learn the jealous in the greatest weapon. Kajako be gore and ramaguru de roda a blip kid or a capniel be guru be nung ping. Either karajiak, either ka kindly, bog where ka point on barano shagaka, but you want to send me bacor like a point on it. When I think about this term right here, it's saddened me. Ko nga tell past experience. Anga can't disappoint it. Anga chibipil, tell Ramichi chomnial, we want Canadian chichop one that you can chop thin. Take care and mit fail. And failure that could you prove or you attempt to do something. Ka failure mo jiko a machimonguru sheep or a take a Lloyd to tear the long collage appreciate them and sheep going to struggle to get it. But jealous people don't see it like that. A canema tapping a to all rod. Could she failure shall knock down, manager am on a shoe on them. Find your own gift, my dear. Okay? And work on it. So what is working for you? To me, I too, in my personal opinion, and a lack of self-knowledge. Ko mengi jiro do dir me like your weakness, dir ngai kem dir me like your strength, dir ngai. Then you can perfect that. So tell a reason me wo jealous ka na ka je. Ko ngi je ti ka confident ko rodu long rodu o diru dunu lat. Chen ki bula na ma chen nga de je longo ke ma chen nga ga longo yesterday. Ti ke dunu mo de dien mo gwa ka je me diru longa la jin. So tell her I'm a past experience, but you don't let your past define your future. Period. And I take a mission go through. And I take a muku go through. She not link a wreck, cause she not link experience, cause she not link a disappointment. But people learn to rise above their disappointment and keep it moving. Again, a lot different. Look at that severe jealous person. Cause you decide to crush your guru and a broad judge from a failure. Number 5, nakajelong. Point number 5. So when they take a severe jealousy while they lack purpose. That means quiran purpose and direction to their life. Let TDL as a game. Mish I'm a jealous person then going to school with gwar. Go no ba nene sha gwar. Kia baroda nanka ka bad marriage you go ba nene sha e sha ko sha ngakwen. Because there is an emptiness inside of that person. Muguru ba feeling it kokien. But little did you know, Shankia was she bagware young or the shabo certifies. Go the emptiness jare, do you need to work on it and heal that empty place? Fill it up. With self-love and learn self-confidence. Go tell Ramadap Kela confident, Baba learn jarara. So therefore many genocides be jealous Canadian kokien. Try and where you gain your confidence by taking records of things your achievement. Take your failure nankela a la lesson, but your achievement recorded and pat yourself in the back and said, I'm good, I can do this. That's how you start building your confidence. Stop comparing yourself to Kokian. Because like Shiaman Jalaro will be sure that we walk because there's always gonna be somebody. So no one can win in this case. We brought to compare Canadian cocaine. She be win. Be sure to do that we walk. So find your life purpose so that you can have sense of direction for your life. She never your direction take a do. She knew more than me ke da more than we say because they don't know nothing about your life. Jin ko wadu yen kam dun yen kot ke yen ngaj do ngaj purpose to more take. So me take this no kon yellow God please show me my purpose and guide me in this direction because the nyodi chana koke but instead bilane jealous in them karama ngej purpose de ramen ngej malad la give them and joko da kama you the ja so be jealous ka ja. What is your gift? What is your purpose? Because she a kel can do na. So find yours. So that is something we be deal kaje la jin korwad. Tell Ramadan be long kaje. Kachi jealousy be no we shall be improve for you. So invest this energy in finding your own purpose, praying to God for direction so that you stop being jealous of other people's success. Because tell me be the benefit, then but more need you a broken heart. Because jealous they will continue to rise higher simply because you're jealous of them. And that's a part you don't understand. The jealousy is killing you. Jealous they are rising and succeeding because of your negative energy. You're not gonna hurt them. Because tell like a kin pin maladundu. Chijen. So point number 6. A walk and 80 jealous, severely jealous people, a while like can mutually like not jealous, like I use a defense mechanism. Chijen. Ko big ego nikin bekan call attack. So Rami jealous person, severely jealous person, la go to you but need to come back bring down. Carry it. You know? Allow me in and chimugwa and said obey congratulate. Baguru the worst part kaji, men jakaji be go to be fine. Ko be jukula job feel bad. Ko barakula job feel good. Ko and what she succeed ko jeremind ke failure. Ko jara mind ke failure ke weakness ne ke. So be jealousy be use a la defend mechanism. So my dear, can point reality at the end of the day, I'm a severely jealous human being. Whether take a family, while a gin friend or whatever, you are the loser. You can need to jealous kaka. Because this very spirit right here, but you destroy. If you don't find the direction for your life and a purpose for your life. But you destroy. Chebe destroy and need to jealous kaka. There is people that are jealous of me, but my life is very private. I don't success what I accomplish, what level of education I'm because I don't need bad spirit or bad juju to come to me. Because but at the end of the day, she didn't want any it's just a matter of which road to train when did it take a bad time today? Good time. So you learn to ride the wave of life. She be take serious because she be take personal. But you meet to walk today, she to walk. So you learn to deal with things until you go out at your talk and chuji. But jealousy people know they don't do that. Look at we know Ramamo going in Kanishang, take a bang, like you are jigging a shout to go, like you are jigging an enemy, not an ideal. Are you listening to yourself? Like you're all doing jealous people. Lara ling. Meladicated. It's pathetic. Fix your life. Nobody owe you nothing. If you lost the sense of direction to your life, find it. Hi. I'm all live video. My bad. So yeah, so my point is simple. Instead of being jealous of other people, try to find direction in your purpose in life. So leave other people alone, please. Because point to ginger bother and sugar need to cook in. So she like to take the thank you for watching. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.